You can add a link to your form using the description field, a Markdown-supported text editor. To add a link to a form, while creating or editing your form, select the description field from the drag and drop fields on the left side of the Builder page. Then, click on the Media and Structure section and select or drag and drop the description field. Once you've selected the description field, it's important to click on the Settings icon. This will open a window where you can clear the default text in the field. Make sure to do this before proceeding. Click on the link icon on the toolbar. This adds https:// to the text editor. Is the syntax for adding a link in Markdown, and it means alt text, link title, URL. Now, it's time to insert your link. To do this, you'll need to insert your link title in the square braces. Then, place the actual link in between the brackets. For instance, if you want to add the Form Plus homepage as a link in your form, the default that appears when you click the link icon should be replaced with Form Plus. Click on the Save button of the field after adding your link, text, or any other formatting. Remember to click the Save Form button at the top right of the page when you are finished editing or creating your form.